Again, it is another beautiful morning and we are back at the garage so we can jump on the Tesla and get working again. Yesterday we managed to do quite a lot. We actually didn't show you this, guys, but yesterday we also did the calipers. We started doing the calipers. They are primed, they are ready, and I'm shooting off to the shop right now to go pick up the custom paint that they've been making for us that matches this color exactly to the point, so that these calipers are gonna look sick. H is already on the other side now, smashing it out. When I come back, I'm gonna jump on these panels because we wanna finish all the sides today, the bumper and the rear boot. So really and truly today, we wanna finish about, I call it 70% of what we're doing in terms of this car, because we're gonna do the window tints, we're gonna do the dechrome, but that's what we're gonna be doing today. So let me not talk too much, let me jump in and start working. Let's go.
Beautiful, yeah.
Yeah, I like it as well, man. I like it as well.
Like the way it blends in and stuff like that. With the...
We can't ask you, H, because you've done it. It's not fair to ask you. Nice. Thank you, gents. All right. After going to the shop to get this custom paint mix to match the car, we're about to put it on now and see if it actually does match the vehicle, because that'll be pretty dope. Let's go. Boy, this is only the dust coat that I'm doing, but already I can tell that this color is gonna be popping. I like how it matches the color we've got on the vehicle. This is our vinyl. This is our vinyl. This is the color. That is not far off at all. And that's the first coat. I'm gonna put 3-4 layers of this. It should get to this. So yeah. Custom color paints on calipers, shouters.
So we've started the dechrome. We're getting places. Side camera dechromed as well.
Guys, so day number 4 complete, and today we smashed it because we finished off the calipers that I started showing you guys earlier. They are fully done now. Look at this color. I mean, this is a sick color. You know, when I told you guys we're getting a custom paint mixed for this is what I meant. It just changes the game. Instead of doing red, black, blue, no, we've matched the car. Looks mean. We've also done all the stripes that are going on the sides, so you can see the difference. You know what I mean? Big stripe, small stripe. Also, we've done the dechrome now as well, so we can now start putting our dechrome pieces back onto the vehicle, which is just gonna make it super, 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 super sick. So we're gonna see you tomorrow when we finish the work.